Good morning. It's Monday, the 6th of February. Meow. Meow. It is 7:28 and we're all ready. We are on it today, aren't we, little? Get off my bed. Get off my bed. Come on, we're going downstairs. We're all dressed.
Yeah.
We're all dressed. Let me show you my outfit if I can. I got these dungarees off Shein ages ago and they were so tight I couldn't do them up, and now they're like too big. So that is my outfit for the day. I've got my Human Haters Club on, which is like my favourite t-shirt in the entire fucking world. Ari's ready for school. Sausage boy's ready for nursery, yeah?
Can I see my bedroom?
Oh, come show me your tidy bedroom then. He's been tidying it this morning. Oh, wow. What a good job you did. Didn't you?
Uh-huh.
Ari has put her Hufflepuff blankie on the floor, and then she's put my Slytherin one here as like a little rug, which is cute. Mika's downstairs. Yeah, we're all ready to go. We don't need to leave for half an hour. Yesterday I felt loads better, and I ended up, my next door neighbour is literally like the nicest man in the world, him and his partner, and I had a warning light on my car, and so I texted her and was like, what does this mean? And she said, bring it round to your friendly mechanic. So I literally drove it down their driveway. He's got like a big driveway at the back of our house. And he was like, you've got no, on my battery's about to die. Wait a sec, I'll come back in a minute and tell you. Right, battery's charging. Yeah, so I drove around there. It's like their house is there. Their house is there, but then their garden goes all the way along, all the way down the side, and then like that roof over there is his garage, and you drive down the side of my other next door neighbour's house. So, and he's got like he's ex-army, and he's also like just knows how to fix everything. So he like went round and he said, oh, that's your tyre warning light. I'll just, because he's got like a tyre pressure machine in his garage. So he filled up all my tyres for me. Then he was like, right, I'm just going to check your water and your antifreeze. I'd got no fucking water. I'd got no antifreeze. I'd got a little tiny bit of washer fluid. And so he just literally filled them all up for me. And I was like stood there chatting to his missus. And they're like in their 50s. I think he might even be nearly 60. And he was like, I can't have this is fucking disgusting. He washed and waxed my car for me. Like, so I just went and sat in his house and had a cup of tea with his missus, waiting for the kids to come home. So yeah, that was nice. And my car, Barry, is now absolutely sparkling. And I've promised Tiger, who is my neighbour, that I won't drive in any puddles. But he was like, someone's hit your car because your wing mirror's fucked. And I was like, well, I didn't realise that had happened. So yeah, I can't be trusted with cars. But he said I need to check my tyre pressure. Wow, look at that, what Mika's made. I need to check my tyre pressure every week when I check my oil. Okay. Yeah, so that was a nice little thing yesterday. I did try to pay him as well and he wouldn't let me. Hair today, 10:30, I'm going to get my hair done. I lost a nail in the night. It just fell off. So I'm going hopefully today after my hair, and she's going to put it back on for me. I think it just must not have cured as well as the other ones, because the other ones feel like if someone tried to pull them off, that they'd literally rip my own nail off with them. Christ on a bike, the cats are all going crazy. Yeah, I will update you when I've had my hair done. I'm going to the salon in Cossey. I've been there before. I used to go there quite a lot, and then I just stopped. And yeah, I went and had a consultation last week for hair extensions, and I was like, I want hair extensions and I want to be blonde, and she was like, no. So we're just going to try and make it blonde. So we'll see what happens, because there's a lot of different colours in it now. Keeping these front bits, but all of this, oh, got all the different colours in it. I just can't be trusted. Hey, it's 2:20. Just got back from having my hair done. She stripped the back. Because it was like nearly black, and she stripped it, and parts of it went really, really light, and then parts of it didn't go so light. So then she's put a number 6 on it. You can see it's much lighter. And then the plan is in 6 weeks time, we're going to pack the shit out of all of this bit with blonde highlights. I'm keeping my front. She refreshed the pink for me. Did me a little tiny trim. But yeah. I love it. yeah, I'm now going to go and pick the kids up. I went and got my nail fixed because one of them came off, so I just went round her house and she just fixed it for me on her lunch. Didn't charge me or anything. She's so bloody lovely. But yeah, I'm gonna go and pick the kids up now, so I will talk to you at some point. You're poorly again, aren't you?
I know.
You are. Poor little man.